Hello and welcome to this brief demo of setting up a Zotero group, inviting a collaborator, and adding items to the group library. I'm using Firefox with the Zotero browser extension installed, so I just need to click the Z on the top right of my browser, and the Zotero pane opens up. I click the Create Group icon in the top left of the Zotero pane. The Create Groups page opens on the Zotero website. I need to log in with the Zotero username I've created, or the email address I used when I was setting up my Zotero account. Click Log in to Zotero. I'm on the Create a New Group page, so I can create a username for the group. And notice it creates this friendly URL. Now I need to choose a type of group to create. A public group with an open membership is default, but that won't let you add PDFs. I'm choosing public with a closed membership. This means any Zotero user can see the Zotero usernames of members. Group members will be able to access PDFs, but anybody who's not a group member won't be able to access a PDF. Or if I want even more privacy, I can choose a private membership where the items and the members will not be visible. I'm going to click Create Group. That created the group. I click Save Settings. Now I can click the little green arrow on my Zotero pane to sync this account. This group is now visible in my Zotero pane under Group Libraries. Of course, there's nothing in it yet, but if I click my library, I can choose as many items as I want and drag those in to the group library. If I click on the group library folder, that shows me what I have in here. Another way to add items to the group is to have the group library open. Any items I add while the group library is open will go directly into that group. Remember when you add new items to Zotero to click the sync arrow occasionally to make sure that items are saved to your account and shared with your group. Now that I have a few items in this group library, I'd like to share. Back on the Zotero website, click Member Settings, and now this link, Send More Invitations. If you know your collaborator already has a Zotero account, just enter their Zotero username. And click Invite. Or you can enter an email address and Zotero will send that person an invitation to the group. If they don't have a Zotero account already, they can use that email address to set up a Zotero account. As you can see, there's a link to cancel invitations. You can go to Member Settings to change those at any time. You can change a group's privacy level by clicking Library Settings to view these options. You can click your Groups tab at any time to see your groups. Click the name of the group, and you can see the items in the group. You can send anybody this link, and if it's a publicly visible group, they can look at the items that way. Clicking on an individual title will allow someone to read an abstract. And in the case of group members, they can download the PDF if that's available in full text. This has been a brief introduction to setting up groups in Zotero. Thanks for watching.